In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wise bank statements. To get started, sign in to your Wise account. Once you're logged in, go to the currency balance you want a statement for. This is important because statements are created separately for each balance, so make sure you open the correct one before moving on. When you're on that balance page, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional options related to that balance. From there, select Statements and Reports, and then click Statements. This will take you to the area where you can create and manage your account statements. On the Statements page, click Create a Statement. At this stage, Wise will ask you to choose the period you want the statement to cover. You can select a preset option such as Today, Yesterday, Last Month, or Last Quarter. These quick options are useful if you need something fast and don't want to enter dates manually. If you need a more specific time frame, choose a custom start date and end date instead. This is especially helpful if you're looking for transactions between exact dates for bookkeeping, expense tracking, or record keeping. After that, if needed, select a recurring schedule. This can be useful if you want statements to be created regularly without repeating the same setup each time. Before generating the file, take a moment to review the statement settings. Make sure the selected balance, date range, and any recurring preferences are correct. Checking these details now can help you avoid having to create the statement again later. Once everything looks right, click Generate. Wise will then begin creating the statement for you. Depending on the date range and the system response time, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the statement to finish processing. After the statement has been generated, review it carefully to confirm it includes the information you need. If everything looks good, you can download the statement if needed. Downloading it is helpful if you want to save a copy for your records, send it to an accountant, or use it for financial documentation. If you need to find it again later, return to the Statements page. That's where you can access previously generated statements without having to recreate them each time, which can save you time in the future. And that's it. You now know how to find Wise bank statements quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.